By way of introduction, my name is Dylan Null, Head of Vendor Engagement at CRS. I've been in the cybersecurity space for over a decade. I have a well-rounded knowledge and experience in logistics, operations, sales, and commercials. What I will be covering in this session is a quick rundown of CRS and then an overview of our training center operations. CRS is a cybersecurity distributor, an authorized IBM training center, and RedHat and SUSE training partner. We also offer Agile training. Our head office is based in Centurion, South Africa. We have training centers in Centurion, Midrand, Sandton, and Cape Town. We operate throughout the globe with a major focus on South Africa, SADC, English-speaking Africa, and North America. This includes the USA, Canada, and Mexico. Although we have completed training globally, including Europe and the Middle East. Understanding your organization and its weaknesses in areas such as skills and knowledge will help you to determine what needs to change to reach your goals. Hence, the training at CRS is of outstanding quality. Our aim is to equip your organization to reach your predefined goals and objectives by providing your workforce with the skills they require to get the job done with excellence. We work with individuals to ensure that we are also accomplishing personal goals. This is done through the certification, training, and roadmap planning, which will give individuals a good idea of what the next step would be in terms of training and skills development. With our courses, your delegates are able to earn badges and broadcast their skills on LinkedIn and other social media platforms. IBM is recognized as a cognitive solutions and cloud platform company with one purpose: to be essential to the world. RedHat Training and Certification offers real-world skills development through role-based courses and hands-on exams that develop and validate the skills required to adopt new technologies and drive your digital transformation goals. SUSE training credits improve customer skills with hands-on role-based training for IT professionals and developers. Here you can master key tasks for SUSE Linux and more. Agile is a way of thinking, usually about software development, but primarily geared towards problem solving and value delivery. Agile training is a form of training development focused on speed, flexibility, adaptability, and collaboration. In summary, and certifying employees creates employee satisfaction, allows employees to be successful, and reduces costs for your organization. A reminder that we have reach throughout the globe. With that being said, reach out to your favorite CRS account manager or gladly contact the team on the CRS details listed on this slide.